Hello and welcome to our fourth session on this development of the obstacle course game. Now here we are going to discuss about C# formatting. So what is this code formatting? To give you an example, in our previous session we typed this code. So we had created this mover.cs file and in C# we created this code, and right now you can see the code is written line by line, and in between the line we have some gaps like this, tabs like this. So see, when the machine or when the compiler reads this, say I can just even type like this. Say I can put everything one line like this, okay. And also here for this public class I can type like this. I can remove off all this space like this. So I can just put everything in one line like this, and even then the code will execute. So now I will put this, then even void start I will put it like this. So now I need not use any of these spaces at all. So I can just put it, so I can just move it like this and put it like this. Even here void update, I can remove this, I can remove the spaces here. I will also remove this space, and I will just bring it here, and I will also bring this see here. So like this I can put every code like this. So I can put off all the code like this. Even I can copy this, cut it, put it here. Say I can just paste it as one single line like this. So even then, even if I make it like this and if I execute the code, it is going to run. There will be no issue. However, if you do it like this, see, now no one will understand. If I put the code like this, no one can understand what is this code. So to make the code readable, because when you are writing code, this will be a teamwork. You will be writing a part of the code, around 10 coders will be writing, and for the communication we are going to use certain coding format which is very important. So I am just going to give you a brief introduction to these coding formats. So when you are doing the coding, right now what I will do is, I will take this, I will close this, and I will click don't save, and I will double click to open it back. Now remember, always when you write the code, the codes, if you take this structure here, see this is the code structure, you are seeing it. Say for example, these are considered as line numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, these are all the line numbers. And whenever you write any code, say this using is a keyword which is used inside Unity system.collections, and you end it with a semicolon. So in C#, every declaration has to compulsorily end with a semicolon, and after the semicolon you have to start it in the next line so that the user can understand it easily. And second thing is, when you are writing it, see now you have this public class mover, then colon and mono behavior. So this public class mover is the name of the class, and this entire mono behavior class starts with one open flower bracket and ends with one closed flower bracket, and whatever is there between this open flower bracket and closed flower bracket, we call this entire stretch, entire block as one big code block. This is called as the code block, and in this code block what we are doing is, we are declaring two methods. So you are saying void start, and for this void start again you have one open flower bracket and closed flower bracket. So if you want all the commands to be executed as soon as the game starts, all those lines should be between these two open and closed flower bracket. That is, you have to put it here. This is what we call it as the code block. Similarly, for update, if you want to add any command that should get executed every frame, that is, update means every frame when the game is running, if you want some code to run, that should be put between these two open and close flower brackets, and whatever is there between this will get executed. So, and certain things, say for example, if you take these variables that we have declared, this is not in the start or update block, but it is in our class block. Means the value of this x value, y value and z value are declared and stored even before your game starts. These values will be pre-assigned. So, normally whenever we declare the variables that we use in our class will all be declared at the top. That is, as soon as the code block starts, we declare all our variables and then we are going to use it in different method code blocks. So, this is just a rough structure, and other thing here is you are seeing some lines typed with double forward slash. So, this double forward slash indicates that whatever you have typed after that is for other coders to understand, and we call this as commenting. So, when you are writing the code, sometimes you write the code today and after about say 3 months when you open the code, you might forget why you had written that code. So, for you to document, we are going to make use of these comments. So, commenting, whenever you write the code, always remember to document it with comments so that the other coders can easily understand. So, this is all about how you have to maintain the format of your code. So, understanding this format, in our next session, we are going to control our player using keyboard or using keys. How are we going to do it? We are going to explore it in our next session. Thank you.